channel. In today's video we'll be making homemade tortilla chips using flour tortillas, chili powder, ground cumin, black pepper, and some vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using vegetable oil, the non-stick spray. And we're gonna mix our seasoning into a small bowl so that way it's easier to sprinkle. You can measure if you want, but I just went ahead and used 1/8 teaspoon. That way it was easier for me because I'm not making a lot of chips today. Depending on how big your flour tortillas are, you can go ahead and fold it in half so that way it's easier to cut your flour tortilla into triangles. You'll see towards the end I went ahead and cut the bigger chunks of tortillas into like smaller ones, just that way it can stretch. But go ahead and shape your tortillas. Like I said, I folded in half and I cut them if need be. And literally you take a pan, you can fry these as well, but I went ahead and baked it. So you take your pan, you layer it, you put some vegetable oil on it, or any spray that you have, or any oil that you have, and go ahead and put your tortillas on there. Spray the top of the tortilla so that way it does not stick. Add your seasoning to it, and I baked these on 350 for about 7 to 10 minutes. You do not want them to cook any longer than 10 minutes because you don't want them to be so dark. You still want a crispiness on top of your tortillas, enough, to dip it in your dip. You don't want a very hard and bitter, crunchy chips. No. Even though these are not like Walmart or Publix type of chips, I think they're definitely suitable and very cost efficient. I thoroughly enjoy these chips. I make these all the time, but sometimes I'm lazy and I buy them in the store. But I had tortillas on hand. Why not make tortilla chips, especially during this pandemic? Said sprinkle your seasonings on top of your tortillas, bake it on 350 for about 7 to 10 minutes, and they should look as so. I served it with some seafood cheese spread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.